Hello, my name is Damian. I'm one of the historical interpreters at the Old Barracks Museum. And today's question comes from Emily from the Beckton Regional High School, who's asking what kind of materials was the barracks made out of in both the original construction and the two restorations that followed in 1914 and the 1980s and 90s. So to first answer your question, let's look at the materials that the barracks was originally made out of. And originally, when it was constructed in 1758, it was made out of, namely, wood and stone. Wood holding the frame together, and stone to cover the outside. Now, the stone that it was made out of was a very specific stone from our area, that being Chickee's quartzite, which is a very particular type of stone that runs through the area. And over the course of the years that followed, the building was torn to pieces, used for a variety of different things, covered in a variety of different things. But in 1914, with the first restoration, the building was restored. It was brought back together. It was originally torn into pieces. These pieces were then rebuilt under the direction of the Committee for the Preservation of the Old Barracks itself, and they did get stone from the same area, that same Chickee's quartzite. But they made a few errors in that first restoration, the reason why we have a first and second restoration. Namely, one of the big issues was with the roof. Now, the roof was originally made out of and designed for cedar shake. Cedar shake is a very cheap roofing material. It's very light. It's just wood, really. But what they replaced it with in the 19-teens was slate. Slate as a roofing material is very durable. It's very pretty, but it's very heavy. And this resulted in the next couple of years, the roof started to bow inward. It started to essentially decay very rapidly. So, notice this was a problem. And as we started our second restoration, our first move was to replace the roof, or restore it back to that cedar. Now, the second restoration also restored much of the exterior and interior of the building to look what it actually was supposed to look like in the 18th century, which required taking off a lot of the front of the building and restoring it with its original walkways and staircases, as well as the interior of the building, restoring the walls that were taken out during its use as private structures or even the first restoration itself. Yeah, that's what the building was made out of, and how it was restored in the 19